Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime and Bluey as one character. So let's get started. It's going to be real simple. Let's do it. Hey, let's get started on this mixture of Poppy Playtime and Bluey here. Well, Huggy Wuggy, really. All right, let's get started. So we're going to start over here kind of with an eyebrow shape right there. I want to make it like Bluey's eyebrows. Line over here, the other eyebrow. Looks kind of like a piece of macaroni or something. And then we're going to start with a Bluey shaped eye over here. So we're going to curve along the top. It's going to pull down over here like an egg shape, pull up. Okay. And we're going to pull a line out for kind of Bluey's snout. Curve around the corner, downward here. And from this point, we're going to give, we're going to pull in some features from Huggy Wuggy. So over here, line up for kind of the opening of the kind of mouth. Down right here, underneath, up over there along the side. It's going to be like that big kind of like, gnarly mouth that Huggy Wuggy has. Over here on this side, curve over here for a Bluey sized eye right there. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a curve and I'm going to make the iris and the pupil bigger. Really, it's just going to be like a giant black dot, but it's going to be way bigger, and that's very Huggy Wuggy like. Circle right here for a highlight, and then we're going to fill this in right here. He's got these creepy dark eyes. Right on. Down over here. Highlight. Gonna go over here now for the lip area. So it's gonna go down right there. Curve underneath. Up right there. Got those lips. I'm not showing the entire upper lip because I feel it would go under. Right there. That's very, very Huggy Wuggy. We'll put the teeth in there in a bit, okay? For now, we got that shape. Let's go over here to the back of Bluey. There. He's kind of shaped like an iPhone or something, right? He's got like a big square thing going on. Down over here. Line down over here. They kind of both have their arms more or less down to their side usually. Zigzag for the fur. Very Huggy Wuggy. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, if you like this sort of stuff. Always helps. But this right here on his arm, we can curve back in. Line over here. So we're giving him Huggy Wuggy's hand for the most part. Down over here. Curve underneath. Straight across. It's a very Bluey shaped body. Pulling up. And line over here. Okay, so this is really important. We're going to put in the hair of Huggy Wuggy. So he's got this like Wolverine style hair thing. So we're going to go zigzag up. Point over there on the side. It's going to come down. It's going to stair shape down. Up over here. Right there, you kind of see the other side a little bit. He's like turned for one direction, so that one's going to be smaller. All right, good so far. Let's go over here now to the feet. Line down, line down, line down, line down. I made the legs a little skinnier for At least skinnier than Bluey would be. And I'm gonna zigzag over here, zigzag over here, curve underneath. Just gonna give like this flat, bizarre foot here with like one finger that Huggy Wuggy has right there. All right, really weird gangly look. Let's go over here now. We're gonna draw a curve right here, like a U shape for like a bow. Line over here as well. Down over here. Down over here. Line. Line. Line over here. Right there. And I'm going to give it more of a, that's like a tail, right? But I try to do it in the style of Huggy Wuggy with this kind of fuzz at the end of it. But instead of, obviously there's not going to be a hand right there. I'm just going to throw more fuzz right there. It's like a very bluey thing. It's like a combination of it. All right, let's go in here for the teeth. Right there. There, there, there. There, 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 there. Line up. Same thing right here, just kind of jaggedy triangle shapes. But what's really important is we're going to have to fill in the inside right here, the negative space, so that the teeth actually show better. So we're just filling it in. Don't forget, by the way, this stuff is just an exercise. It's a thought exercise. We're just trying this out. You could follow along, or you could have just been watching the whole time. Either one works. But these are just meant to, how do you say, fuel creativity and to kind of get stuff out there, right? Like, it's a creative exercise, and that's what's fun about these. So what else could we add? Maybe we can add maybe a spot over here in the back, very similar to. We could add the bluey spot is where on the eye right here. Right? Something around there over here along the eyes. That could totally work. Yeah, there's a lot that could work here. So, you can kind of toy with it, but that's pretty much it. I could throw the other hand out there as well. The other arm. He's got like a nub and then like a mitten for a finger, very bluey, but that's pretty good. What would you call the character, by the way? If you call it something, I'll pin the comment and you let me know. So let me know what you would call this guy. It's Bluey and Huggy Wuggy mixed together. What would you call it? I'm going to reply to every single comment. So thanks so much. I'll talk to you later, and I'm going to see you in the very next one. Okay, so stay here. Let's start the next one right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.